my dear viewers, welcome to Mr. Bughio's English Grammarian YouTube. Well, my viewers, as you have been watching me making different videos on English grammar topics, preposition plays a very vital role among all. Well, the more you study, the more you will come across with a different preposition. Sometimes what happens that the one word is only one word has a different preposition. Now either you have to remember these all or try to understand. But when you go through the different books, you will come to know that how this preposition has been used. Today, I have brought one word that takes different preposition. So let's move and try to understand how the word can be used. Let's see. Today the new word is, that is a agree. Now this agree word can take preposition to, with, about, it. Even sometimes if it is an intransitive, then in also can be used. Now how we come to know that which preposition will be appropriate? Then we have to understand the situation. We have to understand the what, in which sense it has been used. Check it here. Word number one, there is agree, and we are using here to. Whenever agree to is there, it means we are talking about some suggestion, some policies. So when suggestion, policy is there, we are supposed to use to. For example, now there's another agree. Now whenever agree and agree with, sometimes with and sometimes it, both are right. Either you can use with or you can use it. When with and it is used, it means we are talking about a person for doing something. Means we are just only agree with the person for what he has done something. Then we can use agree with or agree it. Number third, agree on. Now agree on will be used when any matter will be discussed. Now what? A matter for discussion. Means any matter is going on. Any day is there, any date is there, on fixed date, on first fixed, that day or date has been arranged, then it means some decision has been taken. So whenever we talk about the decision, then we are supposed to use agree on. Now here, number 4, the use of agree, agree about. We can also use agree with the preposition about. When about is used, it means we are going to talk about the subject of the discussion. Means what is the subject of the discussion has been discussed. So if you remember these meanings along with their preposition, then any sentence comes in front of you, you can easily understand it. Again, agree to any suggestion, agree with the person for doing something, agree on a matter or for discussion, agree about could be the subject of the matter, subject of the decision. Now let's do some practices, then you'll come to know which will be the appropriate. Let's move to here. Number 1 sentence says, he completely agrees. He completely agrees dash you. Now here you, so appropriate would be he agrees with you. With will be the appropriate. He completely agrees with you. Because here we are talking about a person. Number 2, she left the company because she did not agree their policy. Again, policy means what? Agree with their policy. Now, with their policy means we are talking about the persons. When we talk about the person, I say that we are supposed to use with it. This will be appropriate. She agreed. She left the company because she did not agree with their policy. So there again the sense of the person. Number 3, let's try to agree dash a day. So day, what it shows here, on is appropriate. So the appropriate word would be on here. Let's try to agree on a day. Number 4. They agree dash most things. Now what else? Let's see. Yes, subject of a discussion. Means something subject is going on, the discussion is going on, then a person is agree with it. Let's see. They agree about. About would be the appropriate. They agree about most things. Next, number 5th is the picture does not agree. Dash the original. Now definitely the picture could be of a person, could be of a thing, but here it seems that we are talking about the person. So when we talk about the person, it means the picture does not agree with the original. So here with the original will be the appropriate preposition to use it. Well, my dear viewers, in this way each word has a different preposition to use. Today I only discuss with you how to use word agree. Now these words can be used as a transitive verb, but I told you that it can be used in intransitive where the different preposition can be used. So far so good. Wish you best of luck. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.